Welcome to our 10-day leadership challenge. Now, what does success look like for you in 2025? Have you ever set big goals only to find yourself stuck or overwhelmed through the year? You're not alone. John Maxwell says, dreams don't work unless you do. Let's ensure your dreams for 2025 don't just remain dreams, but turn into real, tangible outcomes. To achieve breakthrough results, you must have a clear vision of what you want. Think about what excites you and what scares you in equal measure. Those are often your most transformative goals. What three things would make 2025 your best year ever? For example, if your goal is to secure a leadership promotion, your vision could include leading high impact projects, mentoring your team, or elevating your industry reputation. James Clear reminds us in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, we fall to the level of our systems. Breakthrough goals aren't just about what you want, they are about who you need to become. So that's a core questions that I always ask my coaching clients to think about. Once they've identified whether it's in their personal or their leadership practice, they've identified what they want. I ask them to look at that list and say, the person that I am today, am I equipped to make those things happen, to facilitate those things happening? And if not, who do I need to become? So what work do I need to do in order to be equipped to achieve those goals? So I want you to identify some specific measurable goals, or at a minimum, create a vision in your head that is so clear, when you close your eyes, you feel that you can touch, you can smell, that you can be in that moment of fulfillment. So, what's your challenge for today? Write down your breakthrough vision statement for 2025. Include or think about what are your three biggest goals from a personal, professional, or both. So for one of my clients that I'm working with now is focused around getting to that next promotion spot. So for them, they are envisioning, they are stating that they would have a role, a specific role that they have called out by third quarter 2025. And to do that, so part of that visioning, they see themselves improving their public speaking skills, leading quarterly conferences, building a team culture that thrives on innovation and on trust. So they have a clear vision of what they want to manifest into being. So you've just built the foundation for your breakthrough year by putting your goals, your vision into words. You've now taken the first step towards clarity and action. I'll give you a hint on what I personally do. I like to create a vision board. So I not only have my plan for 2025 in writing, I create a picture of it. It's sitting in front of me. It's on my laptop when I'm sitting and I'm doing the work. And so it allows me, when I look at that vision board, and I have it divided into 4 quarters, right? The work that I love to do, the total health of mind, body, and spirit, having um, relationships that feed me, both a partner for my family and friends. So it's in front of me so that I'm looking at it. And the fourth quadrant is around becoming that person. So being equipped in order to achieve the things that I want to achieve. Because personal development is one of the primary focus areas to for us to become better leaders, to embrace a more full life. I like to refer to it as the four quadrant life. So, work that I love, total health, relationships, and always on that journey of continuous improvement. So you've taken that first step. Now, little hint about what we're going to cover tomorrow. Leadership is and success isn't a solo journey. So tomorrow we're going to focus on how do we surround ourselves with with a support system that's going to help us to propel forward. So look forward to knowing that you'll be checking us out tomorrow. Have an amazing day.